Number 7, we're almost done. You guys are doing an awesome job. The table shows how far Mrs. Simon drove her car during the months of May through August. In which month did she drive the least number of miles? Least number of miles. Months May, June, July, August. I'm going to plug this into a place value chart. All right, and the largest place value we have is thousands, so that's all I'm going to make up to. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. And to help us out, I'm going to write these in different colors. So in May, she drove 1,989 miles. In June, she drove 2,169 miles. July, 1,995 miles. And August, 2,098 miles. So this is May, June, July, and August. Okay, I want to find the least number of miles, the smallest number we have here. So I'm going to start with my thousands place value because you always start with your largest place value when you start comparing numbers and putting them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. So I'm going to start with my thousands, and I want the least, meaning I want the smallest. 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. I can already eliminate 2 of these months because I know they're not going to be the least. I can actually eliminate July because it starts with a 2,000. And I can eliminate August because it starts with a 2,000. And sorry, not July, June. I can eliminate June and August. All right. I have 2 number of miles left, so 2 different months left. We have May and July. Okay, May and July. 1,000, 1,000. That does not tell me anything. I need to move to my next place value. 900, 900. That does not tell me anything. I need to move to my next place value, my tens. 80 and 90. 80 and 90. Well, those are different. Which one is going to be smallest? 80 is going to be less than 90, so this is the smallest number. This is the least number of miles she drove, 1,989 miles. A was your correct answer. May is the month she drove the least number of miles.